Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you my favorite accessories for the Cybertruck. So first we got Barkeeper's Friend stainless steel cleaner. And with this, you definitely need a microfiber cloth. Without it, it's just gonna leave a lot of stains, so definitely get a microfiber. The second item is this one, which is tie downs for the bed. It has all sorts of them inside. It has some hooks, it has some ratchet tie downs. It's perfect to tie down anything in the bed. And speaking of tie downs, you will obviously need some D-rings. Foundation series already comes with 2, but I bought some more from Tesla website, and you can see I already installed them in the bed, so it's easy to tie down anything. The next item are just the tools that I got at Home Depot years ago, and I already showcased them in my previous videos when I was replacing a speaker in my Model 3. This has been help for years, and I will continue using it in the Cybertruck. The next 2 items go together. This is tow hitch receiver. It also has this shackle, and this is the pin to lock the receiver inside, because this Cybertruck does not come with any of this. So if you try to tow anything or recover anybody, this is what you need. All these products that I'm showing here are gonna be linked in my Amazon store, and I'm not associated with any of these companies, but I am an Amazon affiliate, so I have a store on Amazon, and I will link it down below. So any of these items that I'm showing here, you can go to the Cybertruck page and get all of this. They are affordable, not like you, if you can afford a Cybertruck, you care about being affordable, so, but they are. Speaking of recovering anybody, this next item is the recovery rope that goes along with this one. So you just unscrew this shackle and you put this rope inside, and you can recover anything and anybody with your Cybertruck, or you can get recovered using the front ones. The next one is another tow strap, which is this one. It has these 2 hooks. This one is not rated for a lot of weight, so don't try to, it's not for off-road recovery. That big one is for off-road recovery, but this one is just like a little backup for if you maybe need to tow somebody down the road. This is very simple to put on. I think the limit here is like 10,000 pounds, and on this one is 30,000 pounds. The next item is another Rhino USA. These 2 are for the front hooks of your Cybertruck. They fit perfectly inside, and once again, you can use this rope in the front with this ring. Super easy, a must-have for any Cybertruck owner. The last 2 items, they once again go together. So this right here is a tire inflator, and the reason I got this one and not the Tesla one is, at the time I'm filming this, the official Tesla inflator is still not available on the website. The one for the Cybertruck. Keep in mind, Cybertruck does not have a 12-volt outlet. So I had to get this one because it has the regular plug, and the cord is very long, so I can literally just plug it in the back seat, and it's gonna reach all 4 tires. I already used it. You can plug it in the back, and it reaches both tires, the front and the back one. And as you can see, I turned it on here, 48. So the target one is on 251. Yeah, and then you just unplug it just like that. It also has a digital screen, so you can put the amount of PSI that you want in your Cybertruck, and it's gonna inflate to that amount of PSI, which is absolutely perfect, especially if you're going off-roading and you are going to deflate the tires. You need this to inflate them back on. This is very cheap. It's much cheaper than even the previous Tesla inflator that I had for my Model Y and Model 3. I absolutely love it. It works perfectly. I don't see the need to even buy the $550 Tesla one. So once again, it's gonna be linked on my Amazon store. Go ahead and get it, like, you need it. What can I say? And the last item right here, it obviously goes with this one. If you get a nail in your tire, this is what you need. This is the repair kit. Very nice set. It has literally everything. It has so much actually that you can probably go a lifetime worth of nails in your tires. Like, it's like never gonna run out of the materials. As you can see, it just has so many plugs inside that, like, you literally never gonna run out of them. and it has all the tools. I already took one of the nails out of the tire, but fortunately that nail did not go deep enough to cause any leak. And yeah, I didn't have to use this tool, but I used a similar tool in my Model Y, Model 3 many times to repair it. My only complaint about this particular kit is this little latch. It's like, I don't think it's gonna last long. So Rhino USA, y'all need to like fix this, because what is this? Okay, also these are the items that I recommend for anyone with a Cybertruck, because this is literally must have at the minimum that you need. Once again, all these items are gonna be in my Amazon store down below. So go ahead and get it for yourself. Thanks again for watching, and I'ma see you on the next video. Bye.